Here again, I am in Whiteland. My name is Garvit Tiwari. I am co-founder and director for Inframantra India Private Limited. I have a long association with Whiteland. Whiteland, as a company, when they come up in this market, they have created a sensation, and it's quite majestic to see them the way they are growing. And when we see the pace at which they are completing, Aspen. Bringing up all the towers at the same pace with all amenities is something to watch for. एस्पिन की खूबियों को लेके अगर मैं बात करूँ तो एक कोर में 2 अपार्टमेंट्स एंड ऑल लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स द रावलीज हैविंग सच अ स्ट्रेटेजिक एंड सेंट्रल लोकेशन वेयर इन यू कैन सी big hubs of American Express, Google and other corporate hubs are there. Very near or on the central periphery road gives a convenient and a very comfortable way either towards the Dwarka side or towards the NH8. Is giving a very close access to the airport. It make it a very sweet product which all the customers should look at. Because when we're talking about real estate, it's all about location, it's all about positioning, it's all about amenities. So this is a perfect product wherein you can see each and everything in a single bundle, which is difficult to find at this particular point in time in this market. So मुझे लगता है कि एक बार आपको आना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए how they are doing and running the show. This is something which is very exceptional. अगर आपको लगता है you can reach to us. Me and my entire team is there to welcome you and to give the complete brief and description about all the products of Whiteland.